So now we're gonna make that bit over there, over on the door. Let's get the edge and just extrude it over on the x-axis inside. Okay, so we have placed every single vertex over in the blueprint line. Cool. Now we might need one more edge loop there, and then just GX and push it inside with that. Now we have to evaluate that place, that bit over there. So now we're gonna just infatuate that part over there. Let's give it a border first. Or maybe not. Just easy it and push it just a little bit, and take that edge and just GX and push it inside just a tiny bit. Now just control R it, just make it sharp on both sides. And we can see that it's not perfectly aligned, so we're just gonna fix it. We have to make this place curve. We have to put a curve in that place. It's way too sharp, and I haven't noticed it earlier. So we're just gonna fix that place. Just get a knife tool and just make a cut over there. Now just push it inside. It didn't cut through all the way. So let's Control R, get that, get the J. Now it's one piece. We might need two more. We might need two more, or if we turn on the sub D, it will be, yeah, it's fixed. With sub D, it's fixed. Let's check it out, or let's just put one more, just in case. This, okay, yeah, it is not causing any problems and it's smooth. Nice. Now we just have to fix the alignments. Cool.